As of June 2015, there were 322,400 foreign construction workers employed in Singapore. 1 in 3 foreign workers leave Singapore after his work permit expires in 2 years' time. Not only does this mean a loss of income for those who get sent back, it also means that they will have to pay agents to help them find work in Singapore again. To meet manpower demands, these skilled workers are often replaced by new unskilled ones through a tedious recruitment process that could take up to many months. This results in more money and time spent by employers to retrain these new workers. This transient nature of employment in the construction industry adversely affects the learning curve of workers. With the loss of these skilled and experienced workers, the entire industry suffers tremendous losses, both financially and in productivity. What can be done to change this?
Hi brother.
Hi.
You see my friend you something talking this man many problem
Hi brother.
Yes.
Why you look so bad?
Because I have problem. My work permit expire have 1 month times. I want to go back my country, Bangladesh, and again come back Singapore. Look for an agent, look for work. Lot of money.
Oh.
You know new policy.
I do know new policy.
You can get hired again after your permit expired without leaving Singapore.
Really, but no agent how?
No worry brother. You can sign up for this thing called FCWDS. It will put up your information for employer. Come, I show you. You can download FCWDS from the App Store. Then just submit your information. Very easy, very fast.
Okay, brother. I try. Okay, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother.
Hi Jess,
Hi, what can I do for you?
I have a project that urgently required manpower. Do you have any idea how we should go about it?
Let me show you this. This is called FCWDS. They have a database of available skilled workers who are already in Singapore for you to choose from.
Are they good?
Of course, let me show you this.
Okay. Oh great, this one looks suitable.
Hey, brother. Look. I receive a job notification.
Good bro, good bro.
Not only that, you will get also various benefits such as money transfer, insurance, and other offers too.
Oh, wonderful, bro. Oh, sorry, brother.
At the roadshow, the advisor guide to me through all the paperwork. I wait for SMS, tell me go to for interview. Yes, I have to benefited from FCWDS. Last time I work on project, this project going to finish, my employer say you need to go back. Then I headache, go on country, then no work there. No, cannot get money, then my family cannot eat also. If FCWDS, I can continue in Singapore work, then I can continue get the money. Then I continue send to money my family.
Well, this was very easy. The search allows me to look for the trade code and the skill of the type of worker that I want. Once I have selected the workers that I need, they respond, come for interview, and everything can be done within 3 working days. Well, as this worker already possesses the skill that I need for my project, it helps to lower my overall training budget. Furthermore, they are familiar with the safety regulation and working environment in Singapore. Less supervision is required of them, and thus the system helps to improve the overall productivity in my company.
FCWDS, connecting employers and foreign construction workers instantly.